Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. Today we have a highly requested technical tutorial. TeamViewer is designed to bypass standard firewall settings to make remote access easy, but this can be a security risk. I will show you exactly how to create advanced outbound rules to significantly prevent TeamViewer from establishing a connection right now. Let's get started. First, basic firewall settings are usually not enough to stop TeamViewer. We need to use the Advanced Security Console. Press the Windows key and the R key, type exactly wf.msc, and press Enter. This opens the Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Note that you must have administrator privileges on this computer to modify these rules. Next, we will block TeamViewer's primary communication port. Click on Outbound Rules on the left panel, then click New Rule on the right. Select Port and click Next. Choose TCP and in the Specific Remote Ports box, type 5938. Click Next, select Block the Connection, and ensure all profiles, domain, private, and public are checked. Name this rule Block TeamViewer Port and click Finish. Finally, because TeamViewer can fail over to ports 80 and 443, we must also block the application itself. Create another new rule in Outbound Rules, but this time select Program. Click Browse and navigate to the TeamViewer installation folder, usually located at /program files /TeamViewer. Select the TeamViewer.exe file, click Next, and select Block the Connection. Repeat this for any other executables in that folder, such as TeamViewer_service.exe, to ensure the background service is also restricted. I hope you found this technical guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.